Hi friends, how are you? At first, hearty welcome in this session. Now, today we are going to learn Unit 2, Part 2, the story The Boy Who Broke the Bank, written by Ruskin Bond. At first, we are going to learn in short about the writer Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landor in Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children literature in India. He got Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Go in Dera. He was awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan respectively in 1999 and 2014. Now let us turn to the title. What is the title? The Boy Who Broke the Bank. Before reading the text or learning the story, we have to predict about the title. Can you predict about the title? What is means prediction? Prediction means guessing. We have to guess what would be there in the story. You know that you watch TV serial, and in this TV serial there is the title of the series or title song. With the help of the title song or with the help of the title of the serial, we can predict what would be there in this serial. Like that, with the help of the title, The Boy Who Broke the Bank, written by Ruskin Bond, we have to predict what would be there in this story. Remember one thing very carefully. Your prediction means guessing may be right or may be wrong. So don't bother about your prediction. Now we are going to predict about the title The Boy Who Broke the Bank. Okay? Means in this story there is a boy who is responsible to break the bank. Okay, very good. And this is your prediction. Okay? After learning the story, we would come to know that whether our predictions was right or wrong. Now let us see the characters in this story. Nathu, sweeper boy. Seth Govindram, owner of Pimple Nagar Bank. Sitaram, washerman's sons. Mrs. Srivastav, friends. Mrs. Bhushan, friends. Mr. Bhushan, husband of Mrs. Bhushan. Kamal Kishore, owner of photography shop. Deep Chand, the barber. Elderly gentleman, customers in barber shop. Old Ganpat, the beggar. Manager, bank managers of the Pimple Bank. Now again let's see the characters, because these characters are main characters in the story. Nathu, sweeper boy. Seth Govindram, owner of Pimple Nagar Bank. Sitaram, washerman's sons. Mrs. Srivastav, friends. Mrs. Bhushan, friends. Mr. Bhushan, husband of Mrs. Bhushan. Kamal Kishore, owner of photography shop. Deep Chand, barber. Elderly gentleman, customers in barber shop. Old Ganpat, the baker, manager, bank manager of Pimpalnagar Bank. These are the main characters in this story. Now let's see the summary of the story. Means what is the story about? In short, The Boy Who Broke the Bank is a very interesting story written by Ruskin Bond. The story relates to the murmuring of a sweeper by Nathu about irregular payment of his salary. It takes the shape of rumor and result into collapse of a bank. In the end of the story, Nathu, who is responsible for whole episode, wonders innocently about the incident. Said Govindram's own bank at Pimpalnagar town. The bank is financially very sound and has won the trust of depositors. Nathu is a sweeper by in the bank. One day, while sweeping the steps of the bank, he grumbles about irregular payment of his salary by the bank authorities. Sitaram, the washerman's sons, learned about Nathu's complaint. In his loose talk with Mrs. Srivastav, Sitaram says that the bank could not pay its employees. Mrs. Srivastav misunderstands Sitaram's statement. She believes that the Pimpalnagar bank is about to collapse. The rumor spreads like a wildfire in the entire town. The customers in the shop demand their money back. They start stoning the bank building and break the glasses. The next day when Nathu goes to the bank for his duty, he finds a lot of broken glasses and stones. He wonders how it happened. He murmurs angrily that the bank authorities are not paying him regularly on one hand and are also increasing his work. For him, the event is a mystery. The story is basically about how rumors and lack of communications can cause many problems and be destructive. So that when you heard or when you hear any news, at that time you must find out whether the news is right or wrong, whether the news is real, means the fact, or the rumor. Now I am going to tell you the story in short in Marathi. Okay. The Boy Who Broke the Bank. प्रस्तुत कथेमध्ये सेठ गोविंदराम यांच्या मालकीच्या पिंपळनगर बँकेच्या फायऱ्या झाडत असताना नथू तक्रारीच्या सुरात पुटपुटीत होता. तेव्हा धोब्याचा मुलगा सीताराम तेथून गेला. सीताराम जवळ नथूने त्याच्या बँकेकडून नियमितने मिळणाऱ्या पगाराविषयी सांगितले. तसेच पगार मिळाल्यानंतर हे काम तो सोडणार आहे असे सुद्धा सांगितले. सीतारामने त्याला त्याचे योग्यतेचे काम शोधते असं सांगून तो पुढे गेला. पुढच्या घरी गेल्यानंतर एका गृहिणीला झाडूकाम करणाऱ्याची गरज असल्याचे सीतारामने ऐकले व त्याने त्या गृहिणीला सांगितले की नोकरीच्या शोधात असणारा एक सफाई कामगार मुलगा मला माहीत आहे. तिने चौकशी केल्यानंतर तो म्हणाला की सध्या तो बँकेमध्ये काम करत आहे, पण त्याला बँक नियमित वेळेवर पगार देत नसल्याने तो काम सोडू इच्छितो. पुढे आपल्या कामासाठी श्रीमती श्रीवास्तव कपडे खरेदी करण्यासाठी पिंपळनगर बाजारात निघून गेल्या. त्यांना त्यांची मैत्रीण श्रीमती भूषण तेथे भेटल्या. श्रीमती श्रीवास्तव म्हणाल्या, शेठ गोविंदराम यांची बँक कर्मचाऱ्यांचा पगारही देऊ शकत नाही असे मी ऐकले. तेव्हा श्रीमती भूषण उत्तरल्या, म्हणजे बँकची नक्कीच वाईट परिस्थिती असेल. नंतर ती तिच्या नवऱ्याला शोधायला बाजारात गेली. त्यांचा नवरा कमल किशोर फोटोग्राफीमध्ये तेथील मालकाशी बोलत होता. श्रीमती भूषण यांनी बँकेविषयी ची बातमी भूषण यांना सांगितली. ही बातमी मिस्टर किशोर यांनी ऐकली. मिस्टर किशोर यांच्याकडून ती बातमी शेजारी नाव्याचं दुकान मालक दीपचंद यांच्याकडे ही बातमी गेली. त्यांच्याकडून बातमी ही बाजारामध्ये वाढण्यासारखी पसरली. बातमी जर्नल मंचांकडून कस्टमरकडे गेली, कस्टमरकडून बिटर सेलरकडे, बिटर सेलरकडून टेलरकडे, टेलरकडून व्हेंडरकडे, व्हेंडरकडून ज्वेलरकडे, ज्वेलरकडून बेगरकडे. अशा प्रकारे ही बातमी वणव्यासारखी पुढे पसरत गेली. नंतर सर्व ग्राहक आपल्या खात्यातील पैसे काढण्यासाठी बँकेमध्ये गेले आणि बँक मॅनेजरकडून त्वरित पैसे मिळण्याची मागणी करत होते. संतप्त ग्राहकांनी शेवटी बँकेच्या इमारतीवर दगडफेक केली. सर्वात शेवटी ही बातमी नथूकडे पोहोचली. बँक दिवाळखोरीत निघणार असं कोणी बरी विचार केला असावा, असा तो स्वतःशीच म्हणाला आणि तो विचारात बुडून गेला. मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला ही कथा, या कथेचा जो सारांश आहे, समरी, ती मराठीमध्ये तुम्हाला काढलीच असेल. पण आय रिक्वेस्ट यू टू ऑल द स्टुडंट, you should try to understand the summary and the story in English. Okay? In the next sessions we will learn the story detail in English. Before this, you should read the story, try to understand the characters in the story, and try to understand the summary of the story. Okay, thank you.